Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're looking to start a website this year, you've probably heard of Hostinger. In this video, I want to show you exactly how to get the best possible price on their services in 2026. I'm going to walk you through the process step by step. First, to make sure you get the exclusive discount, head down to the video description. You'll see a link there. Click on that link. This is the most important step, because that link has the 2026 coupon code pre-loaded. You won't need to type a single thing. It will direct you to the official Hostinger checkout. For example, if you're interested in the cloud startup plan, just select it. Once you get to the cart page, you'll see the system has automatically verified the coupon. You'll instantly save 20% on your order, whether it's hosting, a domain, or add-ons. So, to recap, use the link in the description to get the automatic discount. If you have any technical questions about which plan to pick, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for stopping by, and take care.